Well, the great thing about the Eisteddfod is that you can put in work that's up to 3 years, which is great for lots of artists because we all work in different ways. And so this particular installation, because it's made up of all these modular parts, actually was being built around to 2015, 2016, 2017. And I was kind of making it in my studio and laying it out and installing it and rebuilding it and things like that. But it actually came out of Creative Wales Award, which allowed me to think about painting, well, to investigate and research painting in relation to installation art. So it's really a painting installation. So this is really about different approaches to the painted surface, texture, different sorts of paint applications, and then different sizes. And they're modular, so I stack them up. So there's a lot of paintings that are hidden that you don't see. So it kind of alludes to that thing of collection, or a kind of taxonomy of works maybe that are held in a studio that no one ever sees. So there's this kind of like secret part of it that you can never actually see or visualize in some way, So I spent the last 10 years reconnecting with painting. And now a lot of people actually know me more as a painter because generations change, and the representation of my art's purely through painting now. And that's taken a while to kind of establish, but it seems to be established now, and to the point where people actually don't know that I had this other career as a performance artist. And that was almost, 37 years or 38 years that I did that all over the world. And it's kind of like there's this other part of me. But of course that other part informs what I do with painting as well. So maybe that's something people might be aware of, but actually a lot of people aren't aware of anymore. I kind of like that. It's kind of the secret past, Yeah.